update on the snow situation here in McLean. Got the, I don't remember what storm this is, the third storm, but you can see how much snow there is here. I had to move the garbage can over here to the side door because I couldn't get to where the trash can usually is. Our next door neighbor kindly got a snowblower out and dug a path for me. I don't know if you can really tell how much snow there is here, but here's a good shot here on the little wall, and I will just walk out here and try to make this brief, but the trees were wilting. Here's some good icicle action here, and here's Nina's car. She's in Las Vegas where there's no snow, and here is my car, and here's a snowbank, which I'll try to give you a sense of how high it is. It's about 4 feet high. I guess here's a good shot here. The mailbox is almost completely subsumed in snow, so no mail delivery today, but I'm not sure how we're going to deal with that. But anyway, it's been pretty crazy. Sophia is at Diego's house. Just went over there after being inside for the last 4 or 5 hours with me, and here's the flat roof, which I guess we don't have anything to worry about. We'll see. And that pretty much wraps up the tour. Get in touch if you want to hear anything more. Signing off from McLean, February 10th, 2010.